Portable GPS holders are essential for secure, hands-free navigation, preventing distractions while driving and keeping devices easily accessible. My today's video is about top 5 best GPS holder that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MirrorCase GPS holder. The MirrorCase car phone holder is a meticulously designed accessory, combining durability, versatility, and convenience for daily driving. Its reinforced metal hook, lined with a silicone pad, ensures a secure grip on horizontal or vertical air vent blades, preventing any accidental falls even on bumpy roads, though it's not compatible with round vents. Universally accommodating smartphones from 4.0 to 7.2 inches, including thicker cases, it features a maximum vent clip width of 1.4 inches, guaranteeing a snug fit for most vehicles. The one-hand operation, enabled by a quick-release button and adjustable clamp arms, allows effortless insertion and removal, promoting safer, distraction-free driving while navigating, calling, or charging. Additionally, the 360-degree rotatable design provides full flexibility in portrait or landscape orientations, ensuring optimal viewing angles for maps, calls, or media. Coupled with responsive customer support, MirrorCase delivers a reliable, professional solution for drivers seeking convenience, safety, and stability in their car phone mounts. Now our second product is APPS 2-Car GPS holder. The APPS 2-Car GPS dash mount is a thoughtfully engineered solution for secure, convenient in-car device placement. Its spring lock clamp accommodates most 3 to 6-inch GPS units and smartphones, while the anti-slip jello block ensures a firm hold on your dashboard. Simply remove the protective film for maximum grip. The 1.55 pounds weighted sandbag design with an anti-slip base prevents sliding or tipping, delivering stability even on bumpy roads. Ideal for states like California, where windshield mounts are restricted, this mount avoids melted suction cups and interference with air vents or CD players. Its wide compatibility spans Garmin Nuvi models and most smartphones, while 5 adjustable slots allow precise angle customization for optimal viewing. Installation is tool-free, quick, and intuitive, though it performs best on flat, smooth dashboards and is unsuitable for curved, textured, or uneven surfaces, as well as tablets or foldable phones. APPS 2-Car combines practicality, safety, and ease for a reliable dash mounting experience. Our third product is Lancaster GPS holder. The dashboard cell phone holder is a versatile and practical accessory designed for stability, protection, and convenience. Compatible with a wide range of smartphones and GPS devices, including iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14-13 models, and Samsung Galaxy S and Note series, it accommodates devices up to 12 millimeters thick, including cases. Its soft silicone-textured bottom and sticky pads ensure a secure, slip-free grip, preventing phones from sliding, scratching, or flying out during sudden stops, sharp turns, or emergency braking. The high-tech adhesive base is washable and reusable. Just rinse with water and it returns to like-new performance, requiring a flat dashboard area of approximately 5 by 5 inches for optimal stability. Easy to set up, the holder only requires peeling off the protective film and placing on a clean, dry surface, supporting horizontal use. Additionally, its clever storage compartment keeps your phone, cables, keys, and spare change neatly organized, making it an indispensable car accessory for safe and clutter-free driving. Now number 4, Compatibility GPS holder. The 3-in-1 car phone holder is a highly versatile and reliable solution for drivers seeking convenience, flexibility, and protection. Designed with both a suction cup and vent clip, it can be mounted on the windshield, dashboard, or air vent, accommodating a variety of vehicles from sedans to SUVs, making it especially useful for rideshare drivers like Uber and Lyft. Its enhanced double-lock suction cup, crafted from heat-resistant TPU, ensures exceptional stability on smooth surfaces, while easy rinsing restores adhesion when needed. The 360-degree ball joint and adjustable telescopic arm, extending from 6.5 to 8.1 inches, allow precise positioning for optimal viewing without obstructing the driver's line of sight. With vacuum silicone rubber and reinforced panels, it offers full protection against scratches, drops, and bumps. One-touch release simplifies phone removal with a single hand, combining safety, practicality, and convenience for seamless navigation, calls, or media control during any drive. And our last choice is Susun GPS holder. The Susun 3-in-1 car phone holder is a versatile and reliable mount designed to meet diverse driving needs, supporting installation on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, making it suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, and rideshare vehicles like Uber and Lyft. Its powerful 3-layer adhesive gel suction cup with a one-step locking mechanism ensures exceptional stability across low and high temperatures, while leaving no residue and allowing easy restoration of stickiness by rinsing with warm water. The one-button release enables effortless one-handed operation, and its wider adjustable grip fits phones from 4.0-inch to 7.0, accommodating most devices and cases. Built with vacuum silicone rubber and reinforced panels, it protects phones from scratches and secures them firmly even during sharp turns, bumps, or high-speed driving. Combining universal compatibility, robust construction, and intuitive operation, this mount delivers safety, convenience, and peace of mind for any driver. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.